दोस्तों बड़ा एक मजेदार किस्सा बताता हूं आपको। मैं एक कॉल सुन रहा था। One of my team members was talking to a person who is a PhD, and the conversation was like, "Yeah, what is it that you want to achieve?" And Mr. PhD said, "I want to become financially free. I want to start a business." He said, "Okay, great, wonderful. What business are you looking to start?" He said, "I don't know. Maybe I'm going to start a factory because I'm from electronics." He said, "Okay, how much money do you think you'll need to start a factory?" He said, "At least 1 crore? I'm not so sure." Now, he asked, "What is your current income level?" He said, "I just started teaching electronics and I'm making just 60,000 rupees a month." "Okay, how long do you think you will take before you start saving 1 crore or find 1 crore to start a factory?" He was quiet. And this is the problem that I want to share with all of you guys. All of you have a lot of degrees. You become doctors and IITs and a lot of degrees that you got. But the problem is, you're still living in the stone age. You're still living in industrial age. The world has changed. If you're starting a business today, you should not just focus on a traditional path. The new generations of entrepreneurs are building the business which does not require the heavy investment, which does not require to start a factory. And again, here's the worst part. You're starting a manufacturing and then you're trying to compete with some big giants who have big, deep pockets. Why? Why do you do that? Why don't you start a business which is around consulting, services, digital? There's so many ways. You do not need to go to industrial age. We are in a new age called knowledge zenith age. This is where you can take knowledge and make money from it. Let me give you my example. I'm not from a rich family. My dad was a truck driver. We were broke and I worked in a job for 16 years. So after 33, 34 years of my life, I found this principle that, you know what, don't go to the old way of starting a business of industrial age because the world has moved on. Today, if you want to start a business, the services is the best. And I picked up the coaching and mentoring business. I started learning a lot of things. I did not invest any rupee in my business at the beginning, and I was able to generate 1 crore in first year from zero money. Yes, I of course invested money in my skill, but first year 1 crore, second year 2.5 crores, third year 16 crores, fourth year 25 crores. Why am I sharing this with you? It's because I know, my friend, you too are at a place where you're looking to start your business or build your business. You are either an employee or you're a traditional businessman and you want to see, how can I take this wave of the future? How can I utilize this knowledge zenith age where I can take the knowledge and skill and solve a problem for money? But you have no idea. Where do I do? What do I do? How do I do it? Here's the answer. Click the link. Join the 3.5 hours masterclass with me where I share my secret blueprint of 7-step process, which not only has helped me, but hundreds and thousands of my mentees who have started their business around passion. Many have doubled their income. Many of them become authors. Many of them become crorepati's within just 18 months. Now you must be thinking, Dev, it's too good to be true. Choice is yours. Are you a close-minded person who is judging other people too prematurely, or you're an open-minded person thinking that, you know what, let me just invest 3.5 hours. Let me be an open-minded person. Let me open my mind and heart and let's understand what is Dev saying. And if that is you, I will see you in the masterclass. But here's the thing. We have 1,000+ people joining regularly these masterclass, and I may not do these very often. So please grab the offer right now before it's no longer available. Click the link. I will see you in the masterclass. Don't be like a Mr. PhD, highly educated, highly qualified from formal education, but really does not have any life knowledge, does not have any business knowledge. Don't be that person who's qualified with degree and broke, versus be the person who has highly self-educated and become successful as well. All right? I'll see you in the masterclass.